Welcome to this Excel tutorial, where we'll explore 4 methods to convert text to numbers. We'll start with a formula approach using the value function, then move on to using the convert to number option, followed by the format cell feature, and finally, the paste special feature. Let's delve into each method. Let's begin with the first method, where we'll utilize a formula based on the value function to convert text to numbers. This straightforward approach allows us to directly convert text entries to numeric values using a formula. In a blank column, enter the formula, equals value, v1, next to the text values you want to convert. The value function will try to convert a number stored as text to a true number. So this formula will return a numeric value. Replace v1 with the cell reference containing the text value. Drag the fill handle down to apply the formula to other cells if needed. You can see that the formula correctly converts the text values to numbers. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using the convert to number option available in Excel. This option allows us to quickly convert text to numbers directly from the cell format menu. When you add one apostrophe into a number, and it will convert the number formula as text format. And you should notice that there is a green triangle at the top left part of the cell. If you want to convert text to number again, just do the following steps. Select the range of cells that you want to convert. Click on the yellow diamond shape icon, and select Convert to Number from the drop-down menu list. You should see that all text values in the selected range have been converted to numbers back. Moving on to the third method, we'll use the format cell feature to convert text to numbers. This method allows us to change the cell format directly without using formulas or additional options. Select the range of cells containing the text values you want to convert. Right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog box, go to the Number tab. Select the desired number format, General, Number, or Currency. Click OK to apply the changes. You should see that the text values have been converted to numbers. Finally, let's explore the fourth method, which involves using the paste special feature to convert text to numbers. This feature allows us to paste text values as numbers using a special paste option. Enter number 1 in an empty cell in your worksheet, and you should make sure that it is formatted as number. And press Ctrl+C to copy this cell that contains 1. Select the range of cells that you want to convert it to numbers. Right-click on it, and select Paste Special from the pop-up menu list. And the Paste Special dialog will appear. Select Multiply Radio button under Operation section. And click OK button. You would notice that the text values in the selected range have been converted to numbers. If you found this tutorial helpful in learning how to convert text to numbers using various methods in Excel, don't forget to subscribe for more Excel tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.